Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Oh, they already pounded that water. I gotta put more in that dish. I bring the dish out and I fill it up out here. And there's just a little bit in the bottom here. I got their food is ready, so when I do put them back, I got the conch is filled, I got their egg and their food. Today was a day that I cleaned out their area in here, and I'll show you that. So I rake all the old straw out, put all new straw in, and what I end up doing, they like to poop over here by the door because, you know, they don't want to, they're usually sleep over in this area here, so they'll poop and everything over here, and then what I'll do in a day or two is I'll scoop out what's there, put a little bit more straw down by the door, and then I generally get about a week with the straw, and then I'll pull it all out and I'll put new straw in here, and you know, that's what I've been doing for them. So actually I can put this rope back down. But yeah, so that's she's taking them off somewhere. I was inside for a little bit, so they're off on an adventure. So Hella's got her puppies and they're somewhere. but anyway, so that's what I was doing today with that. And I'll refill their water dish. We had some rain this morning, not a lot, just a little bit. I will tell you, you know, looking at like the egg prices, and now that the chickens are laying again, it's been awesome, honestly. I 3 eggs today, and Miss Betty White did lay. So let me look down the hill here and see if I can see them, because a lot of times she'll take them down here. So we'll just walk over to the edge. Nope. What she's doing is she's showing them the territory. I'm trying to hear if I can hear her. Well, anyway, so you guys are not going to probably see puppies in this video unless they come back. So, but they're doing good. Man, and puppies are getting big. It's crazy how big they're getting. More overcast today. Like I said, we did have some rain this morning. It was pretty overcast earlier. And now you can kind of see the sun wants to come out here. Right now it's behind this big old cloud right here. But once we get past that, it seems like it's going to be better. I don't know where the solar's at. The last time I checked was at 77%. I haven't run the generator now in 4, maybe 5 days, which has been awesome. Alright, we'll kick that on. We'll take a look and we'll see where we're at in here in a minute. But a little windier today, but egg prices outrageous, absolutely outrageous, and they're talking that things could get worse, that it might be more of an increase yet for the cost of eggs. So I'll tell you what, I'm delighted that the chickens are laying again. I always have too much, because like when they're all laying and I'm getting 5 eggs a day, there's no way I can eat 5 eggs a day. You know, I do, like I said, I will give eggs to both the puppies and to Hella, so I will do that. And what I'll probably end up doing is, I told Steve, I said have him come up later, and I'll cook up a bunch of eggs and we'll have those. So we'll do that. All right, let's see what we got here. No, not yet. Now the sun's kicking back out here at the moment, and you can see that. So that's going to boost. You heard this go on, okay? So that went on when that sun came back out. When it's full sun, it is a better charge. So we'll look at this in just a moment. But now here, like I said, we're in February, guys. And so, you know, I started having run the generator some in December. Obviously, most of January, still hasn't done it yet. Okay, most of January I had to run it, and then part of this month, and but yeah, pretty happy with the way the weather's turning now. It's definitely getting nicer. Next thing you know, we'll have to be cutting the grass again, so that'll be a lot of fun. Let's see if this has come on yet. Oh yeah, 92% in charging, so that's awesome. So obviously we're getting recharged back up with the sun in and out of the clouds, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I wasn't sure, as cloudy as it was this morning. Come on, hold on a second. Yeah, here we go. As cloudy as it was this morning, I was thinking, I may have to use the generator today, but if it's at 92 right now, I think we're in good shape. It's about 1 in the afternoon at the moment. But yeah, we'll walk over here and look at the chickens. I don't like it when she takes off, and I especially don't like it when she takes off with the puppies. She's done it a few times, but they're getting to that, she's showing them the territory. It's exactly what she's doing, so. I'll go over here and look at the girls. Everybody's doing good. And there's Mr. Lucky. So yeah, there they are. Oh, their bucket's tipped over now. I looked earlier. It was there's still food in there, so I'll probably have to change that out tomorrow. But I gave them fresh water yesterday, so I checked their water today. Their water was good. But hopefully, we'll start having a more consistent level with the eggs, which would be nice. So anyway, guys, just a short update. What's going on here? Very low-key day so far. I don't have a whole lot planned for today, but we'll see what happens. So, fun times. It's always something. So peaceful here. Can't even begin to tell you how awesome that is. And like I said, as soon as the trees leaf out, you can't even see anything. You won't be able to see that house way over there, or that one there, or the one across the street there. You won't see them at all. You won't be able to see the road. I love it when it's that time of year. So nobody even knows we're back in here unless it's winter. And if you're out on that main road, you have to be looking out here to be looking to see if we're here, which is kind of nice too. So it's not like we're right off the road. I mean, we're so far back in the woods, it's awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off for now. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prep Nurse 1 out for now.